Guys, I'm in forest looking for some exciting images of birds. Let's just see what we can get. Hello everyone, thank you for coming to a new video, just a short one today. Here we have the powerconf c200 Anker webcam. It's quite unique because it's 2K webcam recording, has stereo microphones as well as a tripod mount, and it also has a privacy shutter, as you can see here. Allows you to close the iris for privacy. So it's quite an interesting camera. 2K at 30 frames per second. You can change the angle from 65 degrees to 95 degrees. So there is a bit of a zooming action. Obviously there's two microphones, left and right, because it's stereo. We get a cable in there. It's autofocus. And it's going to improve your quality of most standard webcams out there. And it's only about £60, so it's very cheap. So let's do a bit of an unboxing video. I will do a test later on, and we'll show you that later on. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to see what we actually get in this package. So if we open the top, we get an instruction manual. We get the webcam, as you can see. Just wanted to show you guys, it does have tripod mount. Very few webcams have that. I don't think I've seen any others that do have that. Let's just take the plastic off. Has a button on the top, as you can see here. Nice little button for opening the iris and closing. Really nice that. You know, if you want to have total privacy and you want to make sure no one's hacking your computer, people can gain access to your webcam on the internet. So having something like that is quite interesting. It's nice to see that it's not hardwired. So if something goes wrong with your cable, you can just get a new cable and plug it in. So it's USB-C. So we get a nice USB-C cable here. Obviously it's USB, USB-C here. That plugs into the back of it. So we just get that. We just plug that in like so. And it's that easy really. It can clamp on top of your monitor because there's a clamp there. But I think having a dedicated tripod mount option on there is very welcomed. And that's basically the Anker 2K HD webcam by Anker. I like Anker. They produce good products, good quality, you know, and they undercut a lot of the other brands out there with quality products. So I just wanted to show you the Anker webcam up close. And yeah, I think it will do a good job. And I'm going to mount this onto my mini tripod mount that we've set up. Please check out that video because I've just recently uploaded it. But let's just put that over here and we can mount it. So here is my mini tripod setup with the extension arm on. If you're interested in this, I'll put links in the description box if you want to get hold of one yourself. It will extend to 46 centimeters in height, but because this Anker webcam that we've got here has a tripod mount, we can mount this onto the ball head quite easily. So let's just do that. As you can see, I've mounted it on there quite easily. You just need to tighten the knob on there to secure that in place. So let's just put that on the table. And as you can see, let me take the full height up so you can see how high it can go. So let's just go down to the bottom so you can have a look. So this is the full height extension, which is 46 centimeters. So it's quite interesting now, where you've got a nice little webcam. It's not very heavy. It's only about probably 100 grams at most. And we've got this ball head on here that allows us to change the angle. So let's say I'm recording and the angle is too high up. I can just twist it a bit lower and then tighten it, and it's not going anywhere. It's quite secure. So there you go, guys. That's the Anker powerconf c200 2K webcam. We'll do a further test video to show you the results of the quality that we get from it versus a standard webcam. But thank you for watching and have a nice day.